Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important spaces in any home, the living room. So, if you're looking to transform your living room, then do watch till the end. Creating a cozy living room isn't just about throwing in a few cushions or lighting a candle. It's about making the space reflect warmth and comfort. Warm tones are your best friend when it comes to coziness. Think earthy shades like beige, warm browns, terracotta, or even muted yellows. These colors create an inviting and calming vibe. You can balance it out with deep hues like forest green or royal blue for a touch of elegance. Next up, textures. When it comes to coziness, layers of textures are key. You can mix plush velvet cushions, soft cotton throws, and a cozy woolen rug too. In India, we have such a beautiful range of fabrics. Why not add some hand-woven textiles or an embroidered blanket from your local market? Trust us, it would make a world of difference. Here's a tip. Don't overcrowd your living room with too much furniture. Instead, go for a few statement pieces and arrange them to create a flow that feels natural. Pull your sofas away from the walls to create a more intimate seating arrangement. Add a low traditional Indian coffee table in the center to bring the whole space together. Now for the fun part, adding personal touches. Family photos in elegant frames, brass sculptures and artwork are perfect to give your room character. And don't forget plants. A few indoor plants like money plants or ferns bring in a fresh, calming energy. Plus, they're so easy to take care of. Lighting plays a huge role in making your living room feel cozy. Avoid harsh, bright lights. Instead, opt for warm, soft lighting. Table lamps and floor lamps can instantly add that comforting glow. If you want to take it a step further, add sheer curtains for that extra cozy light. And finally, never underestimate the power of a great rug. It pulls everything together, softens the room, and feels wonderful underfoot. Go for a rug that complements your color and adds that finishing touch. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to creating a cozy living room. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, these tips can help you transform your space into a warm and welcoming retreat. Let us know in the comments below which tip you are going to try first. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and happy Diwali.